All right, guys, so I just had some quick thoughts. I was just building a thing for sending SNS notifications from different AWS actions happening. And I needed to split out where I was sending the SNS notifications to either sending them to a staging server or sending them to a production server. And so, like that kind of sounds, it's just like manipulating strings to send to the right SNS endpoint based on what the environment is. And I started out with a kind of ugly if statement that ended up having I don't know 5 different if clauses in it or something like that. Didn't love that, and so I was like, oh, I'm developing modern PHP here. I can just use a match statement. And I realized as I converted over to a match statement that the match statement is a really elegant syntax and very readable. What I ended up with was a very nice, compact 4 lines of code or something along those lines that handled all of my logic for me and was very readable. And so I found that I really like the match statement. However, I was thinking about it and comparing that to ternary operators, which some people like to use in PHP. And I think there's a big difference. Ternary operators I've always found super hard to read if I'm just trying to get acquainted with what a section of code is doing. And I think the reason is because ternary operators don't have any keywords in them. And keywords, I think, are super helpful to grokking what code is doing easily. In a match statement, we start with match, and then we have the expression, and then we have curlies, and each match case, and then the return for each of those. And so it's super simple. And a ternary operator, on the other hand, you have this question mark and this colon, and it's order based. So which one comes first? Is it the truthy condition or the not truthy? And so it's just, if someone is not used to working with ternary operators, it's a lot harder for them to quickly understand what is going on. So anyways, that's just my 2 cents on those 2 different kind of, logic control structures in PHP, and why I think I'm probably going to reach for match more often, but maybe try to reach for ternary operators a little less. I even already don't reach for them that often unless I really have to. All right, that's all. Just a quick thought. Over and out.